Hello friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. So for this tutorial don't skip the video. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel then please go for it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's go back to the tutorial. So first you need to open your youtube.com. Okay, now I'll choose a video randomly from here. Okay, now you can see if your cursor keep it here and you can see autoplay is off. So just you need to turn it slider on and autoplay is on. So guys, this is how you can turn on autoplay on YouTube. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.